Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Robinhood to your crypto.com. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then you have to click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen, this second icon. And on this screen, you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you currently have under this holding tab. So you can simply click on the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from here. Or you can also use this search icon to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So just tap on search icon and type the name of cryptocurrency that you want to transfer and then select the cryptocurrency from here. And you just have to scroll down from this page and you will find this send button. You have to tap on it and you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on continue. After that you will see this similar screen. From here you have to click on this enter manually and then you will get this screen where you can paste the wallet address from your crypto.com. So open up your crypto.com app and then log in your account. After that you will find this deposit button. Just tap on it and from this pop-up window select crypto and then select the same cryptocurrency that you are transferring from the Robinhood. So I'm transferring the Ethereum, so I will just also select Ethereum in crypto.com and then just have to select the network that you want to use. So just select the network that you are using in both of your Robinhood and the crypto.com and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this paper icon button right next to your wallet address and then just go back to the Robinhood app and then paste the wallet address here and then click on review. And once you do that, it might ask you to confirm everything, so make sure wallet address and the amount is correct and also make sure that the network is same in both of your Robinhood and the crypto.com. So once you confirm these things, click on transfer and your cryptocurrency or the money will be transferred from Robinhood to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.